Today, we're going to bring actually battery replacement for your GoPro 9 and 10. So, if you guys know, there are compatibility issues with them, but these actually run really well with these two sets. So, we're going to actually set it up on a 9. Just open it up so we could speed up the actual video. Now, we have our original battery, which sits here, and it says 9. So, if you guys can see, here's a case, and the battery fits perfect. You can close it up, snaps into place. I'm going to set up another battery here right side by side. And this is great. If you have a portable charging station, you could charge this system, all batteries at the same time. Now, included with the actual system itself, if you guys notice, I'm going to close the case itself. They give you cases so you can waterproof the actual batteries if you're going to be in a wet area or environment. And of course, this is not the original battery we're going to put in here. And I'm going to show you guys how is it compatible with my 9 GoPro Hero 9 and 10, of course. We have it. So we're going to turn it on. It's a little dusty here. It's going to crank up, and there it is. So battery wise, it's identical to the actual GoPro at a cheaper price, of course. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. As you can see, the battery is identical to the original battery. It retains the same kind of charge. It's actually very compatible with not just 9 but 10. And I like the actual casing, and I'm gonna show you what you can do with the case too also. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. All right, so I do have a portable battery here that I'm gonna plug in. And I like to take this battery with me everywhere. And if you guys notice, look at that, charging the battery. So you could have one battery charge all 3 batteries. And if you guys can see it, it starts charging up right now. They're going to change different colors as soon as they actually hit the full charge. But I like the indications. Very simple. When you take one out, this is the original one, of course. Take it out and then start sliding up green. And then you put it back in. It turns red. That's charging. I like this seal. You could take this in your backpack, in your case, in your purse, anywhere you want. It fits in your pocket. But if you're gonna have a charger separate, it's gonna be a little bit bulkier. But I like the whole thing that they give you 3 batteries, and then this is perfect on the go. And like I said, very simple, compatible with the original GoPro 9 and 10. And I hope you guys enjoy the video.